Hi, today I'm with me TECNO CAMON 18 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. Just to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi we should use the switcher. So click on the switcher and after that wait and after that you'll see here the list of all of the available networks. Just click to one from this network. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter our password to this network. Just to see this password to have no sound mistakes, you should click to this icon. I'll enter it out of screen. So after that, just click to connect. Wait a second. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. You can use more networks here. Just enter the passwords and connect to them. After that you'll see them here in the saved networks list, so you can switch between them if you want. To turn off the Wi-Fi you should use the switcher. Also we get one more way how we can do that. Just we should first open notification panel shortcuts. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi, click on this icon to activate it. If you want to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and after that, by the same way, just select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.